Welcome to Awakening Ways.
Meditation has been practiced for centuries and is becoming increasingly popular today. It involves focusing one's attention on a particular object, thought, or activity, with the aim of achieving a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. The benefits of meditation are many, ranging from improved physical health to better mental and emotional well-being. In this essay, we will explore in detail the benefits of meditation in great detail. Meditation can benefit the body in numerous ways. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. It has also been found to be beneficial in the management of chronic pain, such as back pain and arthritis. By inducing a state of deep relaxation, meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, which in turn can improve the quality of sleep. Meditation can also have significant benefits for the mind. It has been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and decision-making. Meditation can also reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression and improve overall mood. In addition, it has been found to increase feelings of well-being and happiness. Another benefit of meditation is its ability to improve emotional regulation. By practicing mindfulness and cultivating awareness of one's thoughts and emotions, individuals can learn to regulate their emotional responses more effectively. This can be particularly helpful for those who struggle with negative emotions, such as anger or sadness. Meditation can also be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. By turning inward and focusing on the present moment, individuals can gain greater insight into their own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This increased self-awareness can lead to a greater sense of clarity and purpose in life, as well as increased self-esteem and self-confidence. In addition to these individual benefits, meditation can also have a positive impact on social relationships. By reducing stress and improving emotional regulation, individuals may be better equipped to navigate interpersonal conflicts and communicate effectively with others. Meditation has also been found to increase feelings of empathy and compassion, which can foster greater connection and understanding between individuals. There are many different types of meditation practices, each with their own unique benefits. Some of the most common forms of meditation include mindfulness meditation, which involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, and transcendental meditation, which involves repeating a mantra to achieve a state of deep relaxation. Other forms of meditation include yoga, tai chi, and qigong, all of which can help promote physical and mental health. While meditation can be practiced on one's own, many individuals find it helpful to join a meditation group or class. These settings can provide a supportive environment in which to learn and practice meditation, as well as opportunities for social connection and community building. In conclusion, the benefits of meditation are many and varied. From improving physical health to enhancing emotional well-being and promoting personal growth, meditation has the potential to positively impact every aspect of our lives. Whether practiced alone or in a group setting, meditation can be a valuable tool for cultivating greater peace, happiness, and fulfillment.